Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to enter pairing mode on your one more stylish wireless headphones. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our case and remove our headphones. Like this. And as you can see, this light is pulsing and changing. It is a sign that our headphones are now in pairing mode. You can see this if we click pair new device on our phone, and now we can see one more ANC through wireless. Everything goes automatically. We can click just one more ANC TTS, click pair, and now we have our headphones paired. That's it for today. Click a like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.